Getting the right prompt to generate your AI image is very easy. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple steps on how you can get the prompt to generate your image. It could be you saw an image that was generated by AI and you love it, but you keep wondering how you can get that prompt. That prompt that was used, how can you get it to get yours done? Don't worry, because that is what I'm going to show you in this video. I was scrolling Facebook one time and I saw an image that was generated by AI. I so loved that image. And I look at it, I say, how can I get mine done? And I was also thinking how to get a prompt, but I found the means in which I can get that prompt. And let me show you the image. This is the image, yes, that I saw on Facebook, and I love it so much. And I said, okay, let me replicate, let me get mine done. And this is the result. Can you see it? I so love it. The way mine came out is so superb. The face so realistic. You can't tell. If I didn't tell you that this was generated by AI, you wouldn't know. So realistic. And I used Chatgpt for it. I didn't use Google Gemini, or let me say Nano banana. I didn't use it, but I used Chatgpt. So stay tuned and then let me walk you through. We're going to start with number 3, and number 1 is my favorite. So don't skip any part of this video. Number 3,
You come to this website, you can either use your smartphone or your laptop. Any of these, it works. Just ensure you have a good internet connection, and then you come to your Chrome. When you come to your Chrome, you now type and search for this prompt. Yeah, promptag.app. Promptag.app, and then you click enter to search for it. This very AI site, you are going to find several generated images. Yes, several generated images in which you can just pick inspiration from, and then see that very one you want to make use of. Okay, let's make example with this. Let's say you want to make use of this one. You see this copy. These are the prompts below. Yes, this is the prompt. You just read through the prompt if you want to understand it. If you are done reading it and you like it, in fact, I would like to make use of this, but for the sake of this tutorial, okay, you just copy the image. Now, after you copy that image, you just go to your Chatgpt, and when you come to your Chatgpt or your Nano banana, any AI site in which you usually use to generate that image, you paste this prompt, and then you include your image, your picture, or that picture in which you want to make use of to generate that very particular image. So this is a third way in which you can get that very prompt that you want to make use of to generate that image. I hope this is clear. If you have any question, please drop in the comment section.
Now number 2, let's say you saw an image that was generated by AI and you need that prompt. The easiest way in which you can follow, or the approach in which you can take, is leave in the comments. Comment under that post and ask for the prompt. Yes, ask for the prompt. Sometimes the person that generated that image can share the prompt with you, or just go to the DM of that person and request for the prompt. If that person is kind enough, that person will share that prompt to you. Sometimes most of the generated AI image is being the prompt is being placed in the caption or in the comment section. In case you didn't find it, request for it. Sometimes you will get it. If this is the first time of you coming across this channel, this is NDENE. You're welcome. Do well to hit the notification button, but it won't work unless you subscribe. So you subscribe to the channel, and then the notification button, you hit it and turn it on so that you get notified on each time a new video is being uploaded. And my returning subscribers, thank you so much for staying by. Thank you so much for being a support to this channel. Keep this video engaging so that algorithm will push this to more audience that will find it helpful as well. Now number 1, which is my favorite.
So for this, I'm going to use my device, my mobile phone, to show you how to do that. When you come to Chatgpt, this is my favorite. Just like I said, when you come to Chatgpt, the first thing you are going to do before you come to Chatgpt is you are going to save that image. Yes, you are going to either screenshot or you download that image in which you want to make use of. And when you downloaded it and getting it in your device, you come to Chatgpt and then you go to your photos. And when you come to your photos, just ensure you locate it. This is the very image. When you locate it, yes, after you import that very image, this is what you are going to do. You are just going to type scan this image and give me the exact prompt used in generating this image, and then we send and then wait. Are you seeing the result? AI may not give exact prompt, but it will give something similar to that. So for better reference and understanding, you can make good use of this prompt. This is the exact prompt I used by typing I need the prompt that is used to generate this image using my picture. So after typing this, and this is the prompt that it gives to me. Did you see it? And I uploaded this image. This is my image. After I upload it and then add this prompt to it, I'm going to leave the prompt in the comment section or in the description of this video. You are going to find the prompt there, and this is the result. So try it out. I'm going to leave the prompt in the description below.
Now you get it. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this helpful, do well to give a like and then leave a comment in this video. You can save this because you may need it later. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. See you in another video.